So we're doing kind of like a take on a coleslaw, because basically Brussels sprouts are tiny cabbages. So if you just take it and shred it up, you can mix it with pretty much anything to make a coleslaw. I like a vinegar-based coleslaw myself.
Okay.
So our red wine vinaigrette, we take a little bit of red wine vinegar, a little agave again, and then a little bit of lemon juice and mustard, and whisk it together with some olive oil to make our vinaigrette. And that's a great base. You can even dress the coleslaw ahead of time to kind of let it all soak in.
Oh, and just put it in the fridge and let it set. Okay.
Exactly. So then we're gonna use a bunch of crunchy stuff. It also has a lot of really beautiful colors as well. So we're gonna do some apple here.
Green apple, I like it.
Green
You
apple.
get a little tartness in that too. Yeah.
And then, you know, you get the sweetness from the agave and some of the other ingredients. And you can cut it however you like. I like things to be kind of different shapes and sizes. And then I've already sliced the serranos. These are optional. You can add as many as you like, depending on how spicy you like it.
Yes.
Then we have some red onion.
All right.
And then we'll just assemble. And I just added some radish.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and I had soaked the radish in some lemon juice just to give it a little more flavor.
Great.
Some red onion, parsley, a little bit of the dressing.
And the dressing again?
It's a red wine vinaigrette. It has mustard, lemon juice, agave, and olive oil. And then we'll just give it a mix.
Okay.
And then we can just plate it.
Oh, wow, that was fast
Oh, I
and
forgot
easy.
the radicchio.
Oh, you went, wait a minute. No,
Whoa.
no, there's one more.
Well, there's so much color here.
It is pretty, but this is gonna make it prettier. Now, if I wanted to add a protein to this.
I would do chicken on top, or it'd be good with salmon too.
And just
a little salmon
a
fillet.
salmon would be really nice.
A little grilled.
Yeah, put that right on top.
And then just for a little extra crunch, even though it's already super crunchy, some toasted almonds.
Man, this dish just should be a dish of California.
Yeah, right? It's very California.
I mean, that's all it is. That's awesome.
And that's it. Thank you.
A little salmon on top would be perfect. Bon appetit.
Oh, yeah. Cheers.
California sunshine in a bowl.
Really crunchy. And serranos are super nice because it gives it that kick.
I would eat that all day long. Nice job.